Hi, I'm Elly. Today I'm going to tell you a story, Gabby's Magic Dollhouse, Gabby's Hiccups. Are you ready? Yeah! Hey, I was talking Pandy. Okay, Pandy, you have to read it. And read out. Great news! Your stuffing sounds great. Meow, meow, meow. You know that means it's time for dollhouse delivery. Come on. Meow, 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 meow. All right, let's see what's inside of the meow, meow, meow box today. Ooh, look at this kitty box. This kitty box has the nose is the music and body's all music. Let's see what's inside. It's a box with crinkle inside. It's meant to turn the cat in the box so I can get yeah. Ooh, I wonder what's inside. Whoa, that was so cool. Fantastic. You know, I'm gonna be love this Kiki. This is my dollhouse. And the most Kiki loved the surprises the most. She's gonna be love it with these magical cat ears. I'm gonna shrink down and play with the Gabby cats inside my dollhouse. Time to get tiny. I pinned out the fender, minimum grab his hand and hold on tight. Whee! Come on in. Welcome to my dollhouse. First things first, let's find Pandy. Do you see him? Where is he? Who got tied? Oh, I love hugger ties. Don't forget about me. Cakey hugger tie. I love all the hugger ties. Did you all surprise you guys? Of course, Cakey. Oh, and didn't just a talk surprise. You have to see this cat in the box. I can't wait to see it. Whoa, that was a good one. Whoa, wow, that surprise gave me the hiccup. Aww, don't worry, Gabby. Ha ha, my doctor is Dr. Pandy. Oh, thank you, Dr. Pandy. Okay, let's see the listen. Whoa, whoops. Sorry, Pandy. Okay, I'm just giving my doctor. So, Dr. Pandy, did you cure my hiccups? Of course. Dr. Pandy always cured a hiccup all time. Okay, but my doctor ordered, Kiki, do you have the recipe to cure the hiccups? Sure, I will. My smackers always do cure the hiccups. All time. Follow me. First, we need have to rice cake to cute kitty cat head. Then we need some flour butter, blueberries, banana, processed sticks, and strawberries. Hey, Pandy, catch! Oh yeah. Step 1. Cover your white cake with a sunflower butter. Next, we have to cute little cat eyes and a nose. Boop, 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 boop. Then, 2 buttons make the kitty chicks. Boop, 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 boop. Pandy. Now we have to do a strawberry to have to cute kitty cat ears. Boop, boop. Don't forget a little yummy strawberry mouse. Boop, 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 boop. Now, last thing, we have to process sticks. Some process stick whiskers. 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And ta-da! My smackers. What do you think, Dr. Pandy? My medical just to make things go better, less tasted. Alright, let's see there. Care the hiccups. Here I go. So, Gabby, your hiccups gone? Let's see. Whoa! Nope, my smackers didn't work, but they always worked. Oh, Pandy. Okay, you didn't care my hiccups, but you make awesome tummies, some yummies. Yeah, I did that. Girl hug! Now, Dr. Pandy, what do you have to try next? Well... Oh, I know. Busy with the market. Great idea, Dr. Pandy. With her potions and great potions, I knew she can do it. Bye, Kiki. Bye. What of that shaking? You know how does your... Oh, hi, Kara. That was just Gabby. She has really bad case of the hiccups. The hiccups, yeah. That cat in the box gave the surprises. You know Kara, know the best. No fair works. Did anyone need my help? No, Kara has all the answer. What did they learn? I used have to take this cat in the box and yeet. Marka, we need your help. Gabby, those are your humongous hiccups. That's why we're here. We're hoping your potions. Of course I do. Follow me. Okay, we will do our upside down we will do my upside down glowing globules. Ah, yes, glowing globules. Wait, what is a globule? You'll see. Okay, Gabby, stop. Put these on. And meals. Ooh, stylish and comfy. Now for the spa science. We have to do globule on your boots. Some glimmery green, a little purple, and fantastic pink. So cool and so gobby. You're just the best. Okay, you're just the best part. Are you ready for the glow? Whoa! Whoa! That is amazing! I'm everything like this. I'm so happy. Almost. You're hanging upside down and glowing globby boots. What could be better than this? This? Gotta match my boots. I love your style, Gabby. It all that I love this thing. Okay, so you're blowing biggest bubble you ever seen, and your hiccups are gonna be cured. Blow bigger. Almost there. Just a little bit bigger. Well, I didn't know that would work. My spell science never fails. Marka, you can't go that I failed. I was upside down and globby boots. That was amazing. You liked it. Okay, what do we have to try next? Well, I didn't see what this happened. I hope we go to the fairy tale garden and ask Kitty for a great idea, Dr. Pandy. Okay, to the fairy tale garden. Okay, let's go. Thanks for the visit with the Marka. Bye. Boo! Carrot. Hello, where's Gabby? Is Mr. Shoe on the way to the fairy tale garden? She has a really bad case of the hiccups. The hiccup? I know. I was trying to find her. Hi, Kitty. Oh, hi, you two. Whoa, Gabby, those are some hiccups. That's why we're here. We hope you make something. Oh, of course. Maybe you need some little garden magic. Okay. But we have to make your Your hiccups grow away. Don't you mean go away? Oh, I mean grow away. You have to plant a hiccup in the ground. Can you plant a hiccup? Did you notice? Me either. Well, I know that I am a doctor. Follow me. Did you remember? Achoo. Did you remember that poor kitty's bad case of the sneeze? Well, I planted a sneezing and grew a sneezing sunflower, and the kitty was cured. Achoo! Don't you mean good? Oh, mine. Well, it scares you. I love this garden. So for you, Gabby, we'll grow a hiccup buttercup. Fantastic. What do we have to do first? And number one, we have to catch one of your hiccups. Oh, I gotta see this. Gabby, hiccup. I will try. Ready, Kitty, I'm almost ready. Ha-ha. Whoa. Ha-ha. Ha-ha. It's your hiccups. My hiccups is inside this bubble. Kitty Fairy, this is amazing. And let's plant your hiccups. First, we have to dig a hole in the soil. Then we put the bubbles just like a seed. We plant the hiccup inside the hole. Then we cover up with the soil. And finally, for the magic ball. And we have to need a little water to help the hiccup buttercup grow. And for the magic word, the count of 3, we'll say hiccups, hiccups, go away. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hiccups, hiccups, go away. It's working. You did it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh no, it didn't work. Just your hiccups are just too strong. Don't worry, Kitty Fairy. Thanks for trying. You know I love you. Oh, we will never figure this out. Pandy, wait up. Bye, Kitty Fairy. Good luck. Pandy, what's up? Dr. Pandy quiz. This is impossible. Pandy, come on. And tried another thing. Nope, we tried everything, and we didn't cure your hiccups. Pandy, it's alright, and you be my side. I love you in there. Get up. If you in my size, we'll never figure this out. I know, I was just you have to get up. Okay, Dr. Penny, what do we have to try next? Well, we have to go in the craft room and ask the baby box. Great idea, Dr. Penny. Let's go. Wee-hee. Okay, to the craft room. Hi, baby box. Hi, mama box. Hi, Pandy. Hi, Gabby. Whoa. Oh, my. What was that? Gabby has really bad case of the hiccups. Well, hiccups just like that, Gabby. You're gonna need a hiccup machine. The old hiccup machine. Did you have a hiccup machine? Not yet, but we're gonna make them. Ta-da! Whoa, this is amazing. Now we have to start turning on. Whoa, I think it's working. Well, I think that isn't enough. How do you feel, Gabby? Whoa, that was a blast. Did you cure your hiccup? I guess it's not. Ooh, oh. Don't worry, Mama Box. Thanks for trying everything because of your hat. But it looks like our hiccup machine failed. That's what I call failing fantastically. Well, good thing you're made of hat. So, Dr. Pandy, what do we have to try next? Oh, I have a good idea. We have to go back to the kitchen and have another snack. Going back to the kitchen where you started. Great idea, Dr. Penny. Brilliant. Wait, why is it brilliant? Whoa, good luck. Oh, hey, where's your cat in the box? It looks on the counter. I don't see that anywhere. We need your help. Did you see any cat in the box? They're in the music room. Thanks. There it is. Boo! Kara, you scared me. That was the point. The big surprise gave you a hiccup. So you need bigger surprise to then go away. That's so simple. Wait, you're right. My hiccups, they're finally gone. Of course, the older double cat. Oh, thanks, Carrot. I love you, do it. Well, what I said, Carrot has all the answer. I'm gonna try to remember that. Well, you're welcome. I didn't know this box on the first place. Boo! Ha! Carrot, are you okay? I found... Oh no, now the carrot has the hiccups. Oh, rats. Oh, no. Oh, don't worry, carrots. Dr. Pandy will be cured. Boo! Ha! Dr. Pandy wouldn't be failed. Boo! Ha! Boo! Ha! Boo! Ha! Boo! Ha! Thanks for playing with the dollhouse with me. Are you ready for another surprise?